Okay, hi everybody. I'm here with my friends Omar and Moussa. Yeah, and they are shepherds, and we are out in their fields, and they've just put on their headdresses so that they can plant some watermelon seeds. We're out here with some of the village kids and some farming equipment and their donkey, and they're planting some seeds to plant watermelon and sell them in the market. Est-ce que tu as un message pour les États-Unis, les Américains en ligne?
Merci beaucoup. maa ngi nuyu waa américain yëpp maa ngi nuyu waa continent bu Amérique yëpp maa ngi leen di féliciter.
What did he say?
Parce que remercier nañu kontaan nañu tamit ci seen.
Okay, he's saying I just want to greet everybody and say hi.
Ils sont contents des Américains, ils sont fiers.
We are really proud that she's here.
Oui, de leur mode de vie.
And we're happy about the way that you live too.
Du respect par rapport à la justice.
And we're happy that you respect justice.
Indépendant.
And these guys are from the tribe Pulaar, and they wear a different headdress like this. The Wolof don't wear the headdress, but this helps them when you're out in the desert. It protects your...
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Okay. And then let's just do a quick panorama of where we are here.
See you next time.
Voila, see you next time. Where's our donkey? Where's my donkey friend? You can see him right there.